scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Momentum questions get easy when you use impulse because the graph changes momentum directly and tells you whether the block still moves right at 9. Okay, start with what is given. The block's initial momentum is 12 Newton-seconds to the right, so we begin positive and only need the force time graph's total signed area. That signed area is the impulse, and impulse equals change in momentum. So add the positive regions and negative regions on the graph to find the net change by t equals 9. Then compare that net change with the initial positive 12. The total stays positive, so the momentum still points right, and that locks the answer. Well done! Option C. Scan now, watch signs, avoid rushing. Trust what's given, and check steps so positive momentum does not get flipped by mistake.